Hello. Just want to say that Octoberfest from Pila Equipment is only 1 week away. That's right, it starts next Friday, October 7 at 10:30 in the morning, all the way until 7 in the evening. Saturday, October 8, again, it starts at 10:30 in the morning, but ends at 2 p.m. If you haven't already visited our page on our website, please go to myorangetractor.com, click where it says Ride and Drive at the top, and let us know how many of you will be coming. We need to know how much food and drink to make. Nobody like a party when it ran out of food and drink, do they? We're offering Costline pricing on all in-stock equipments with competitive finance rates. It's also the best time to get up to 30% discounts on full service specials for all types of equipments. In addition to that, we are offering 50% off snow plow and Husqvarna Automower installation setups. That's half price for those of us who don't do math too good. And did I mention the free giveaways? An Echo string trimmer, Kubota themed coolers, and much more. Things like hats and cool stuff. Swag. Need not be present to win, but you must be present to register for these giveaways. Front Street Brewery will be on site for their tastings. It's gonna be a great time. Don't miss it. Auf Wiedersehen from Pila Equipment.